Hey guys, thanks for tuning back in and welcome to those that are watching for the first time. This is Merely on Time Watch Reviews. My name is Chris and I unbox and review budget watches. And today I have a package from one of my favorite places, LongIslandWatch.com. Guys, head on over to LongIslandWatch.com. This is a fantastic place to buy your next watch. Not only do they have their own brand of amazing watches called Islander watches, but you can see from the brands that they sell that they have a wide array of watches to choose from. You have Orient, you have Seiko. I bought my latest Seiko from LongIslandWatch.com. You have Timex, you have Aviate, you have Spinnaker, you have Hamilton. I don't know why I added the guttural there too. Hamilton, but they have Hamilton as well. So many watches to choose from. The best customer service in the business. I highly, highly recommend LongIslandWatch.com for your next watch purchase. I am not 100% sure what is in this box. I do know that I requested a pilot style watch. I don't know what they sent, so I'm just as excited as you are, hopefully, to see what's in the box. So with that, let's turn the camera around and let's crack this open and let's see what they sent. Okay, so those of you that are familiar with Marc's brand know that it comes in just a nice cardboard box, Island watch with the Islander logo on the box. It did not come with a screwdriver this time, so I am certain that there is no adjustable bracelet on this one. So let's just slide this open and see what we've got. And of course, we'll also spec this thing out with Super Cali. So there it is on the pillow. Let me just get this up and around, and oh my, okay. So you get the watch here resting on the pillow. Look at that nice, beautiful white dial. I'm going to peel that sticker off. Ooh-wee. All right. So this is their automatic. As you can see, the hand is sweeping there, field watch, and it has the day and date complication just above the 6 o'clock there. I love the crispness of this dial. Looks amazing. Let's take a look at the back, and we have an exhibition case back, Islander logo on it, Islander branding, sapphire crystal, 100 meters of water resistance. I'm not 100% certain of what particular number this is, but I'll put that as a little subtitle there. But yeah, let's just take a close look at this, and what a beauty. Now, field style, obviously, looks like the hour and the minute hand are going to have plenty of lume on it. Nice sweep to that seconds hand, automatic movement. I am really liking this. I just love the simplicity of the dial. Let's just take a look at the side profile here so that you can have a look at that. And you saw the exhibition case back. Take a look at this side with the crown. And you can see that the crown is branded with the Islander logo on it as well. Now this isn't a brand new watch, this is a review watch, so if there are any little scuffs on it, that will be why. But there it is, guys, an absolute beauty. So let's get Super Cali out and let's measure it up, and then on the channel in about a week's time, I will do the full review. So what are we dealing with here? Well, from the 8 to the 2, you have a 39 millimeter case, 39.1. Factoring in that crown, you're going to have a 42.1 millimeter length there. I'm sure it's going to be 20 millimeter lugs, and yep, 20 mil lugs there. Well, I can't quite get it in there, but yeah, 20 mil lugs. Your lug to lug length on this one is, let's see if I can get that here, 48.2. So nice and compact. You can see that it does have a nice downturn on the lugs as well. So yeah, this is beautiful. What do you guys think of this one? Let me know in the comments down below. Came on a nice nylon strap. I do like the fact that they put the leather stitching on top of the holes there. That will ensure that the strap lasts a little bit longer. Genuine leather on the underside. So I'll tell you what, guys, this is a cracking looking watch, and I look forward to wearing it and highlighting it on the channel. Let me know in the comments below what you think of this one, and I will show it to you on wrist now. And here it is on my wrist, guys. One thing I forgot to measure was the thickness. So the thickness from that exhibition case back to the top of the crystal is 12.3 millimeters thick. You can see it does have a nice downturn on the lugs there, and it just looks absolutely fantastic. So thank you again, Mark and Ryan, for sending this over. Guys, stay tuned for a full review of this one in about a week's time. So just a quick unboxing of a really beautiful field watch by LongIslandWatch.com. Thank you so much for tuning in. Really appreciate all of you that have supported the channel. If you haven't done so yet, take a moment to hit subscribe, hit the thumbs up button, and let me know what you guys think. Chime in the comments down below. Link in the description where you can pick up this watch at LongIslandWatch.com. And let me know what you think of this one. I am absolutely loving it. Just has a classic design, and the white dial. Oh, I'm just in love with white dials. So pleased that they sent me a white dial. I've just been really into them lately. And so let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Love interacting with you there. Remember, whenever you leave your house, you must have a great looking piece to wear on your wrist, like this Islander field watch. And remember, wherever you're going, to get there on time. God bless you guys. We'll see you in the next video.